It doesn't seem safe.
Whatever, I'll just throw it on top.
What? That was his favorite nighty-night shirt.
That was his work shirt that got sprayed on by skunks.
What are you doing, Bella? You're making a mess. Pick it up. Yeah?
I remember that was the only thing that Gerald used to wear. It took us a really long time for us to get him to put underwear and pants on.
What are you doing, Bella?
Bella, go get a stick for the fire. It's going out. Quick, we need a stick. What?
You go find a stick? There you go, that'll work.
Right, just stick to the fire.
Stick goes in the fire.
Put it in the fire, Bella.
Close. Ah, you missed.
Oh, sure, I'll put it in the fire.
What do you say? Okay.